Welcome back to our podcast. Today we're diving into an exciting tool that can help automate your Git workflow, the auto commit bot. Now, if you've ever found yourself bogged down by the repetitive task of committing changes to your Git repository, this tool might just be the game changer you need. So, what exactly is the auto commit bot? Well, it's a Python-based tool designed to monitor a directory for any changes, whether files are created, modified, or deleted, and automatically commit those changes with succinct AI-generated commit messages. Sounds fancy, right? It uses the Google Gemini API to create these messages, ensuring they are not only meaningful but also consistent. Imagine this. You're in the middle of coding, hours fly by, and all you want to do is focus on your project rather than stress out about logging every little change. That's where the auto commit bot comes in. With real-time file monitoring, it handles the nitty-gritty of staging and committing, freeing you up to concentrate on what really matters, your code. Now let's break down how this tool works. First, it initializes a Git repository if it senses that your directory isn't already in one. Then, keep in mind that the bot is watching. The moment you make a change, it springs into action. It stages all modifications, generates a fitting commit message using the Google Gemini API, and bam! It commits those changes seamlessly. Plus, it logs everything in the console so you know exactly what's going on. This could be a real time saver, especially for developers who constantly tweak their files. But you might wonder, how do you set it up? Well, you'll need to have Python 3.7 or higher installed, and, of course, you need a Google Gemini API key. Once that's sorted, it's just a matter of cloning the repository, installing some dependencies, and setting your API key as an environment variable. And running the bot? Super easy. Just point it to the directory you want to monitor, and it takes care of the rest. It's a straightforward command line tool that doesn't require a PhD to use. Just a few commands and you're good to go. Now I can hear some of you thinking, what if I want to push my changes to a remote repository? Great question. The auto commit bot is customizable and can be extended to include this feature too. So as you get more comfortable with it, you can tailor it to fit your workflow even better. Before we wrap up, let's think about the implications this type of automation brings. Not only does it promote good practices by ensuring consistent commit messages, but it also helps prevent the dreaded, "I forgot to commit" moment. It's a bit like having a reliable assistant who ensures you don't miss a beat. So, to sum it all up, the auto commit bot is a powerful ally in the world of coding, taking over repetitive Git tasks and letting you focus on where your creativity shines. If you're looking to streamline your development process, we definitely recommend giving it a try. That's all for today's episode. If you have any questions or experiences to share about using the auto commit bot or other automation tools, don't hesitate to reach out. Until next time, happy coding.